In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best vertical axis wind turbine on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. BEIGOOD X3 to 10,000 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. The BEIGOOD X3 to 10,000 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine is a versatile and efficient wind power solution suitable for residential and commercial applications. It offers high power output with options for 10 kW and 15 kW, making it suitable for various setups. The turbine's low startup wind speed of 1.3 meters per second ensures efficient wind generation. Its durable construction, including an iron shaft and glass fiber blades, ensures durability and performance. The innovative vertical axis design captures wind from any direction, making it less sensitive to wind direction changes. The turbine also features advanced generator technology, including a permanent magnet generator and AC 3-phase output for stable energy supply. The X3 to 10,000 is customizable and C-certified, adhering to European safety, health, and environmental standards. Although it does not come with a mounting base, it offers flexibility in choosing the best mounting solution for your installation needs. Number 4. SX5 to 5000 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. The SX5 to 5000 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine is a versatile and reliable alternative energy generator with a robust 5000 W capacity. It offers versatile power outputs for AC 12V, 24V, and 48V, making it suitable for various energy needs. The turbine also boasts low noise operation, ensuring minimal disruption while generating significant power. Its high-quality construction, featuring a stainless steel shaft, ensures durability and resilience. The SX5 to 5000 is designed to be eco-friendly, contributing to sustainable energy practices by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Its customizable design allows for adjustments to fit specific needs, making it a versatile choice for various installations. The turbine is certified, ensuring its reliability and compliance with international regulations. Its sleek aesthetic, featuring a clean, white color, makes it both functional and visually appealing. Number 3. SMARAAD SX2000W Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. The SMARAAD SX2000W Vertical Axis Wind Turbine is a versatile and efficient wind power generator designed for various applications. Its customizable design ensures durability and strength, and it is C-certified, adhering to European safety, health, and environmental standards. The turbine's vertical axis design is suitable for urban and residential settings, and its blades are made from fiberglass for optimal performance. It features a 3-phase permanent magnet suspension motor for efficient power generation, and its generator protection grade is IP54. The adjustable mounting height allows flexibility in installation. The turbine offers multiple voltage options, including 12V, 24V, 48V, and 220V, and a 2000 W capacity. It is ideal for individual households or small-scale applications, making it suitable for various energy needs. Number 2. Rewindagic Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. The Rewindagic Vertical Axis Wind Turbine Model Rose is an advanced wind power solution that offers versatile power options in 3 power configurations: 5000 W, 8000 W, and 10,000 watts. It can handle voltage outputs of 12V, 24V, or 48V, making it compatible with various electrical systems. The turbine's shaft is made of durable iron, ensuring long-term stability and resilience under various conditions. The efficient blade design features 2 high-quality nylon blades, capturing wind from all directions, making it ideal for areas with variable wind patterns. The turbine's clean white color adds a modern and aesthetically pleasing touch to any installation site. C-certification ensures the product meets European safety and performance standards, ensuring its quality and reliability. The model is customizable to fit specific needs and preferences, offering a tailored solution for individual requirements. The Rewindagic Rose is a reliable and efficient choice for residential, small businesses, and off-grid applications. Number 1. MR5000 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. The MR5000 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine is a highly customizable and efficient wind power generator that can be tailored to meet specific energy goals. Its durable iron shaft ensures reliable performance over time. The turbine's versatile installation allows for easy integration into various mounting solutions or adapting to specific site conditions. It operates efficiently regardless of wind direction, making it suitable for diverse environments. The MR5000 is environmentally friendly, meeting European safety and environmental impact standards. Its C-certification ensures compliance with regulatory standards and supports a sustainable energy future. The turbine's optimized blade design, featuring 5 blades, optimizes wind capture and energy production, generating power efficiently even in lower wind conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.